Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sami and I am a learner. I just try different strategies for passive income. So I have started my journey with drip garden, and in my last video I showed that within 5 days I earned $50. I just put over there around 400, and on daily basis I just earn 3% daily on my principal amount, and this 3% is not fixed. It can be raised up to 5.60 as it is day number 6, but the percentage increased to 5.60 and today I earn 6.5. So this is how the drip garden works. Actually you just have to put your money into it and it will do automatically all the calculation, all the interest, all the earning by automatically. You don't have to do anything. That's why it is known as one of the best passive income program, and the 3% is really amazing amount. So basically today in this video we are going to discuss how to withdraw your profit. So last night I just harvested seeds. So as I just click on harvested seeds, it automatically turn my earned income. This is the earned income. It was last night $50 and now it turned to 6.5, and this is the LP token 1.59. so here I see that as I just click my harvest seeds amount, it just turn into this balance. So this balance is equivalent to LP tokens. Basically this is the $50 which I earned by last night. So right now I want to withdraw this profit. So as it is in this website, I just want to make secure myself. I am trying to get back my principal amount. So how can we withdraw the amount? So this is the strategy that we are going to use. So simply first, as you can see that whenever your available seed value is over here, you just have to go down and you just have to click on harvest seeds. Once you will click on harvest seeds, it's going to connect your MetaMask and it will charge you amount. Like right now it is charging again 0.01. so I just don't want to get charged again, so I don't want to withdraw the 6.5 which is above, but you have to click on the confirm. So once you will click on the confirm, the gas fees will be charged, and your this amount, seed amount, this is the 0.159 LP which is equivalent to 6.5. it is earning of 1 day. It will convert into your balance. So after you have amount and after you have balance is LP token, you just have to go over here, just scroll up and you just have to click on trade and click on liquidity. It will redirect you to pancake swap. It will show you this screen. So there are so many videos which are asking you to add tokens over here, import tokens here, but it is little bit complicated. The simple and easy thing is you just have go to click on trade, click on liquidity. It will automatically add your drip and BUSD tokens. So this is really very easy. You just have to go on back and you just have to click on trade and liquidity. See here it is showing that your liquidity is 1.231. so this is the amount I have to withdraw now. You just have to click on this button. It will show you details that how much you have LP tokens. You just have to click on remove. Now it's asking you that how much you want to remove the amount. Do you want 25? Do you want 50%? Do you want 75%? So I want to withdraw all of my LP token. So I just have to click on next. So it's showing now, this is the amount. It is showing now that you are going to withdraw this amount, 0.19 and something. That's all. Then I will click drip enable. And I have to give some permission. It is basically a signature request. In this request you are enabling pancake swap, that you want to let it perform any kind of transactions over here. So once I will enable it, it will be automatically connected. You don't have to do it again. You just have to click on sign. Now it is enabled and now it's showing you remove. So you just have to click now remove. So this is the amount BUSD I am going to receive 25 plus this is the amount. Okay, but the thing is that I don't want to withdraw BUSD. Okay, so basically I just changed my mind. So now we are just trying to withdraw all this amount because I just changed my mind. There is a reason that once I will withdraw this amount, I can deposit it back. So I will definitely going to just deposit back, but as I have to continue this transaction, because if I don't, I have to go from the scratch. That's why I will just click on confirm. So see here it is showing that you are going to remove 0.19 DRIP, which is LP token, which is converted into DRIP, and 25.18 BUSD. I say okay, and it's going again charging fees. There is a lot of gas fees in Web 3.0. So MetaMask will always ask you for anything. If you move, if you deposit, if you compound, if you do anything, it's going to charge you again and again and again. So I will say okay, confirm, just let it do. Basically I am doing this transaction so I can show you that how things work. So I hope you really like my video and you will subscribe my channel and you will share your ideas how can I improve more. So it's my just complete a fresh journey I have started, and I hope you will really love it. I am hoping for the best. So this is the thing that it is being done, that the transaction is completely done. So we are done now and the withdrawal is successful and you have your money at your secure place. So this is a very good thing. Here you can see that it shows you that $25 I have received here. So this is the $25 which I have received. It is in my MetaMask. So it is completely withdrawn from that, and this is 0.172 DRIP. So I didn't convert my DRIP into BUSD. The reason is every day DRIP price is going to increase. So I just want to capitalize my DRIP. I want to make it increase. So once its value risen, I will definitely just convert to the BUSD. This is how it works. So thank you so much for liking my video. Thank you for watching this, and I am really waiting for that you just share your ideas, you just help me out how can I improve. Thank you. I wish you a very good day.